If you are a supporter on Patreon or YouTube, I have a gift for you. I'm working on this online course explaining how to set up and use my timeline system in Obsidian. It is a step-by-step course. I start with a blank account and keep adding folders, plugins, and everything that is needed to make the system work. And as I do that, I explain how to use the system. It's taking me a little longer than expected, so this is what I thought. This is my idea. I have already recorded about 70% of the course. I still have to record the rest of it, and then I have to edit everything, and then all the touches, all the details here and there, like the thumbnail, description, and everything. And I have to do that while I'm doing everything that I always do, my videos for YouTube, clients, and everything. So it's gonna take a little longer than I expected, and that's why I had this idea to share each chapter. It's not chapter parts, but I'm calling them chapters with supporters on Patreon and YouTube. So I'll be sharing the chapters as I finish them. But keep in mind that this is not going to be the final version. It's going to be almost the final version because I always add some details here and there when I'm finishing everything, when I'm ready to publish, but it's gonna be close to that. So if you are a supporter, expect new videos coming up soon, and please share your thoughts and opinions. If you are not a supporter, it would mean the world to me if you join me on this new journey. That's it for this one. Have a lovely day. See you soon.